What's up people, it's Alex, and this week's wild camping extravaganza takes place on the Jurassic Coast. The path that I'm walking is the slippery path signposted on the Southwest Coast Path Trail, and it's quite literally a couple of meters away from the cliff edge, so fortunately enough it's a very calm day. It's not very windy at all. So from here I'm heading to Windspit, which isn't that far of a walk. I didn't come out here for a really long walk today. I more came to check out a bit of the Southwest Coast Path. I'm going to keep walking, try and get to my destination, hopefully go find some caves, possibly have a little dip in the sea, we'll see. It's very hot, it's about 32 degrees at the moment. Best crack on. I'm probably about a mile away from where I'm hoping to set up camp for tonight at Windspit quarry, which is a disused quarry, which I'm hoping to go and explore, and there's different caves around there as well, and I am 100% getting in the sea, or at least dipping my toes, because it's sweltering out here. I lost one of my water bottles, schoolboy error, definitely going to invest in a bladder for the backpack, but hey, you live and you learn, positive vibes. So my destination's just over here. You might be able to just about see it in the camera. Look where the land is jutting off there. And that's where I'm going to be sleeping. So probably 2 or 3 kilometers left. And then I'm going to go find some shade and have a little dip in the sea. Cannot wait. Finally arrived at Windspit. There's quite a few people here swimming, and I'm going to go and swim myself as well. It's been a really nice walk up here. It's been super hot, so I'm really looking forward to cooling off. That was refreshing. So nice after a long walk in this heat. Oh. Just a quick one, let's go find a place to camp. swim in the sea, which was really, really nice. And now I'm at the top of Windspit Hill. Sun's going down behind me, so I'm expecting a really nice sunrise over the sea over there. But as you can see, sunset's coming down quite nicely now. It's probably about 7:30 in the evening, and I've come up here and I've found an abandoned quarry. So there's some demolished buildings over there, and there's a massive cave system as well, which I'm going to go and explore now. So let's go. So I found a place to camp on top of Windspit Hill. Just got this little patch of grass there. Pitched up quite late, well I'm going to pitch up quite late because there was quite a few people around doing rock climbing and whatnot. There is a family wild camping over in the corner by the caves. They're not going to be a problem at all. So I'm going to pitch up there and then have some coffee and probably have some food. I've got some of those Wayfarer chili and rice pouches, so I'll stick them in some boiling water. And yeah, let's go get the tent set up. Who did that? Not complaining. I'm ready to call it a day in a minute. It's been a really good day. Parking at Swanage, coming all the way down to Windspit. Brilliant, really nice. Lovely swim in the sea, beautiful walk as well. Ooh. That's some good coffee. Maybe it tastes better because I'm out here. This is my view. There's a lighthouse. I'm seeing that kind of beaming every few seconds. You guys won't be able to see it. I think I'll catch you guys in the morning. I'll know I'm going to sleep well. So I'll see you then. Morning everyone. Just broke camp. Obviously hashtag leave no trace, hashtag don't be a tosser. Just gonna watch the sunrise for a bit now. Pretty nice. Looking forward to going and getting ice cream I think. But I better crack on because I don't want the sun to come up and the heat to come out too quickly. So I'm gonna crack on now towards Dancing Ledge, try and get some water and then on towards Swanage. Let's go. So at last I managed to find some water. It's not the greatest water source in the world, but you know, it will do. Filling up all my water bottles. Haven't seen the one that I lost, maybe someone picked it up. Really thankful I've got water. And really thankful it's a lovely day as well. The sun is just about to come up over all of the hills and whatnot. It's only 7 AM, so. Pretty nice to be fair. That'll keep me going. I think I'm gonna have a bit of food now. Hungry. Let's do it. Right, so I'm only about a mile from my destination now. Just stopped off at this dolphin watch shelter, which I thought was quite cute. It's got records of all the sightings of seals and dolphins and stuff like that, which I thought was quite cool. But today has been really nice. It's been a lot cooler than yesterday, obviously because it's been in the morning, which has been a lot nicer to do a walk in. Windspit was great, really enjoyed camping there. That was really good, and the walk there yesterday was great as well. So overall, this has been a brilliant wild camping trip. Just want to say a quick thank you to another YouTube channel out there, Ash Outdoors UK, who shared me on Instagram. They didn't have to, it was really nice of him to, and I got quite a few followers from over there. So if you guys are new to the channel, thanks very much. I'm going to sign off now, so thank you very much for watching the video. Follow me on all the social medias, links are in the descriptions. Give this video a like and subscribe as well. Leave a comment as well. Tell me where you've been recently. I might want to check it out. Alright, thanks very much for watching the video. See you next week.